What's your special sauce? In the high-stakes world of cell therapy, we're conditioned with one answer. It's a secret. We're taught that survival depends on protectionism, on guarding every single piece of information. This instinct creates a problem. We lock our knowledge base behind IP filings, NDAs, confining our companies to this little knowledge island. On this island, we have to solve every problem alone, rediscovering every solution and falling into the same common traps as our peers. We tell ourselves we're safe because nothing gets out, but in the same world, nothing gets in either. Here's the truth. This extreme protectionism is slowing us all down. Yes, a few variables of your CAR-T therapy are uniquely yours. That's your real special sauce. But the way you formulate, the way you dispense into vials, the fundamental steps to transfer your process to automation, that's not unique. It's just sexy plumbing. These are shared operational hurdles, not core scientific secrets, and they demand shared solutions. We need a dialogue between startups to overcome these common knowledge gaps, so we stop wasting time reinventing the wheel and collectively improve our chances of success. When you zoom out, the mission becomes clear. There are millions of patients waiting for these cures. To deliver on that promise, we need to get out of our own way. We need to have the courage to distinguish what's truly secret from what's a shared struggle and start driving towards this future together.